Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your credit utilization with Bank of America easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Bank of America online account. Once logged in, navigate to your account summary page. Locate your credit card accounts and click on the one you want to analyze. Take note of your current balance and credit limit. Calculate your credit utilization by dividing your balance by your credit limit. Convert that number into a percentage by multiplying by 100. Aim for a credit utilization ratio below 30% for optimal credit health. If your utilization is high, consider paying down your balance. You can make an extra payment to lower your balance before the billing cycle ends. Consider increasing your credit limit if eligible, which will lower your utilization ratio. Alternatively, open a new credit card account to enhance your overall credit limit. Review your account for any recent charges and ensure they're accurate. Monitor your utilization monthly to track improvements. Use Bank of America's budgeting tools to stay on top of your expenses. Set up alerts to notify you when your credit utilization reaches a certain threshold. This proactive approach will help maintain a healthy credit score. Regularly check your credit report for any discrepancies that could affect your utilization. Stay informed about tips and strategies to keep your credit utilization low. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.